So the brand new Friends update just got announced by Grow a Garden. Let me actually go through this new update. Let's see what's actually new in the new friendship update. I see there's a new picture with some flowers on it. Let me show you the picture, okay? Look! This is a picture. So this is pretty much the picture that they have updated, the Friends update. And you can see a pot. Why is there a pot? There is literally a pot next to this guy right here. So they've added a pot and you can see a brand new flower. I'm not really sure if this is gonna get added into the game because we did get a lot of things that were on the thumbnail but never inside of the update, which is kind of sad. But this could be a new flower added into the game. Also, we got the description. The brand new description is right here for the Friends update, which will launch in a couple days. We can actually go through this description right now. It's better with friends. This update brings friend pots. As I told you guys, a pot o friend, okay? Pot o friend, garden and expansions. The limit time B event with lots of new content features, discovering and I can't read, okay? I'll be honest, I don't even know what I just read. But explore, participate, new B event. So the B event will get a rework, and with the new B event, they will add new seeds, pets, gear, and a new pod feature. So I believe if you have a pod, you can share your plans with your friends. You should be able to actually share your plans with your friends with a pod update. Should be good, right? That should be actually a thing. So if you have a pod on your garden, you can actually just what's it called? You can just pretty much share the plant with your friends. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Caterpillar? Is that good? Let me see. Pick up. What did I just get? Caterpillar. Okay. So this guy. Can I inspect him? Where is he at? Oh, he's right there. He's right there. View. Passive. All leafy plants grow 1.7x faster. I mean, I don't really care about growing plants faster, so I might just take him away, okay? I might just take him away. We can just deploy all the doggos. All the doggos. There you go, we got all the doggos employed. All the doggos get employment for free. Let me actually see if there's anything good on stock. Nope. We do have to, what's it called? We do have to check the stock. I see a blue egg. What does that mean? Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna buy the blue eggs. It's probably not even good. I wanna trade honey, okay? I wanna trade honey. Alright, of course they don't have it. Why would they? Why would they even have it? Why would they even add it to the stock? You know why? You know what I mean? Why would they even add it to the stock? There you go. There you go. There you go. Mr. Onat, take all my honey. Take all the honey. Wait. Honey, wait. How am I still not enough? There you go. Honey, we do have a bunch of honey plants. Just like this one. This one is huge, so this one probably will make a huge honey basket for me. There you go. Anyways, I hope they actually add the thingy-majingy. Packs. Should I open a pack? Opening the flower pack. Flower pack. Opening. Legendary. What is that? Lil A plant. Lil A plant. Okay, we get a Lil A plant. Lil A plant. Alright, so that is the friendship update. Do not miss the friendship update. It will drop. Let me double check. Saturday. Friendship update dropping Saturday.